Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hi everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another banger video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get a large refund with your bank or credit union if you're an active duty member, and we're going to talk about the benefits. So let's just dive right into it. I don't want to waste your time. So we're going to talk about the SCRA, the Service Member Civil Relief Act, and we're going to talk about the benefits and how you can use these benefits to get a large refund from your bank or credit union. Okay, so first, let's just talk about what is the SCRA. The SCRA is a Service Member Civil Relief Act, okay? The CRA covers all active duty service members, reservists, and the members of National Guard while on active duty. The protection begins on the date of entering active duty and generally terminates within 30 to 90 days after discharge. Some benefits can carry on to 1 year depending on the lender as well. One of the biggest benefit that I think is really great for active military is they get low APR on credit cards and loan debt. And most lenders are doing the 6% APR, but some lenders are doing lower than 6% APR. And I will let you know on the most popular lenders and how much APR they can give you. Let's talk about how you may be eligible for a refund. So with the SCRA, active duty basically gets 6% APR on debt, okay? Credit cards, loans, and lines of credit is usually what you can get when you are active duty, and you can get to 6% or lower. So the SCRA requires that any request for a lower interest rate be followed by some form of refund. It must be given upon the request for a backdated interest rate, okay? So yes, that's right. Your bank or credit union will either send you a check or a backdated interest or applied against any current balance you have on your credit card, loan, and lines of credit. So how to receive your benefits? So in order for this to actually work, accounts open before you are active duty qualified. So say for example, you go on active duty in 2020, but you have accounts that were open with a certain lender or bank, and you have a certain credit card open with a bank or a credit union back in 2002, that account qualifies. Now, say for instance, you haven't used that credit card in a very long time, but it is still open. That still qualifies. So I want you to understand that accounts open before you were active duty does qualify. Now, say for instance, you were active duty in January 2020, but you opened a credit card in March 2020. That account does not qualify. Okay, so make sure you have your bank, credit union apply your SCRA benefits to your account. I recommend everyone to do this if you're active duty or a spouse of an active duty. So once the SCRA benefits are applied, they will review your account to see if you are due for a refund, and they will issue you a refund. So sometimes this takes a couple of weeks and sometimes it takes a couple of months, but it is important that you know this benefit is here. So the eligibility for the SCRA, the eligible service members include active duty members of the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, or Coast Guard. Also, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine, or Coast Guard reservists serving on active duty, National Guards member in qualifying active service, commissions officer of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and Public Health Service on active service. If you are serving on active duty, you may be eligible for the SCRA benefits and protections. Eligible products include, but not limited to, credit cards and lines of credit, installment and auto loans, mortgage and home equity loans, other loans and lines of credit, and accounts that are eligible as long as they were open before the start of the active duty period. This is how you can get your refund. So companies who support the SCRA. So first, this is why I'm bringing it to my channel. Navy Federal Credit Union supports it, and they can give you a refund. PenFed, American Express. American Express waives all your annual credit card membership fees for active duty service members. Okay, so make sure if you are an American Express holder and you are active duty, make sure you are not paying no membership fees. Make sure you call them right now. Okay, Bank of America, Discover, Capital One, Chase, active duty service members can apply for SCRA benefits and receive interest rates 2% lower than what the service member Silver React even requires. Okay, that is beyond saying. So you can get up to 4% with Chase. Okay, so Barclays, USAA, Citibank, and Citibank will waive all fees and reduce your interest rate to 0%. That is crazy. So make sure you call these companies and ask them, do they waive all annual credit, card fees, all fees of any some sort, and how much can they reduce your interest rate? Okay, let them know that you have the SCRA benefit or you would like to qualify for it. BBCA also qualifies for the SCRA. And last but not least, Wells Fargo. So these are the big companies that do it. But say, for instance, you do have a bank or a credit union that is not on this list, still call them and ask them, okay? So I want to give you this online form description that makes it easier for my credit cousins for the Capital One. So this is a Capital One online form that will basically request your SCRA benefits. So all you need to do is go to capitalone.com/military/relief and fill this out. Once you fill it out, they will get back to you regarding what you are eligible, and basically they will send you an enrollment letter to your address associating with your account detailing your benefits, and you have to allow 60 days for the receipt of this letter. So I will actually leave this link in the description again, and all you have to do is fill it out, and that can be your first step on getting your benefits requested and being due for a refund if you have credit cards, loans, or lines of credit with Capital One. In order to receive benefits under the SCRA, you must affirmatively invoke or request relief by paperwork. Your active duty military status must be verified before you will receive benefits, okay? A letter containing to the following information is typically sufficient: your account number, your starting date of active duty service, a request for a reduction in interest rate pursuant to the SCRA, and a copy of an active duty order. On-base legal office often have the SCRA template that could be used as well. In most cases, just be aware that you may need to do all of these, but some lenders just want your active duty service and or your social security number, and they can pull out the information. Or they will either send you a letter in the mail and you can use that stuff to verify. So helpful tips. It will save you lots of money, and you can be missing out on a lot of money as well. So please make sure if you're an active duty member that you can be eligible. SCRA benefit can be eligible on all current and closed accounts. So this is a game changer, okay? Even if you have a closed account before you were active duty, this may be a refund, okay? So remember, it's based off the interest, but make sure you contact your bank or lender, okay? Even cards you don't use but are still open, and they were open before you were active duty, are still eligible. Okay, the SCRA protects those on active duty or attending a service school. However, those attending training prior to entering active duty, such as officer candidates, may not be covered. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that. If you are a spouse or a domestic partner with a joint account, you are eligible. So if you're watching this and your spouse or domestic partner is on active duty and you have access as a joint account holder, make sure you call the bank and lender and get these SCRA benefits running so you can be due for a large refund. Okay? Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.